Hello and welcome to Settlements. This is the first of our tutorial guides called Getting Started. This is the main game menu and there are two ways to launch the game from here, normal mode and hard mode. This guide is going to show you through launching the normal mode. The game opens to a story page to offer you some background, where you basically start with two settlements. This is the first of the two settlements. So let's go ahead and get your first workers. Click on any one of these plots and it'll bring up the buildings menu. At start you can only build one building and that's the shack. The shack is the only building in the game that doesn't need any workers to work on. It'll self-build. Once completed we'll get our first character. If you right click on objects in the game it'll bring up more information about them. So let's right click on the character. This takes you to the character sheet screen. As you can see there's an awful lot of information on the screen and we will cover that in a future guide. So let's go to our second settlement. If you click on the world view screen you'll see that there's a quest icon, our current settlement, and this whole map will fill up with other quest icons as we progress. So let's click on here, take us to the second settlement. If we click on the buildings menu here, not only will you see our shack, you'll now see that we have resource gathering, crafting, research buildings. As we progress and do more research and get through technology, more buildings will unlock. So let's build another worker. And finally for this guide, just to show you some basic navigation, you can click on the arrows to the left or the right to cycle through the various settlements that you currently have, or you can go to the world view menu and you can select the settlement from here. In the next guide we'll look at the other different buildings we have available and some suggested layouts. Thank you very much and hope you enjoy the game.